Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to send files from your phone to this laptop. So first of all, you have to be connected to the internet to use this method. And once you are, open your web browser and let me open the Google so I can show you what the website is called. So the website that we're going to use for it is called airdrop.net. So use this address and put it into your address field. Okay, and once you enter this website, to link your phone, you have to use this link icon right here. Click on it, and then you can either open the same website on your phone and input this key you can see right here on your phone into this field, or you can also just use, or you can do it the same way. So open this website on your phone and then use the code that you can see on your phone to enter it right here. Or the simplest way is, of course, to scan a QR code using your phone's camera, which I'm gonna do because it's the most convenient way in my opinion. So just scan the QR code, open the website using your phone, and you will be automatically connected and paired to your laptop. Now you can see the phone on your laptop screen, and you will also be able to see the laptop on your phone screen. So select the laptop on your phone screen and select the file that you want to send. Select Add and then accept this file on your laptop, and it will be downloaded in a while. So for some reason my phone disconnected, probably because of some network issues. I'm sorry. I'm gonna repeat the very same process very quickly. Okay, so add the file. Click accept, and in a while this file will be transferred to your laptop. Okay, and right now the image is downloaded. Usually it takes way less than that, but today we have some network problems probably. And that's it. That's how you transfer files from your phone to your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.